Current HEX value sort of is $0.32. HEX falls 29% in 7 days in an in every way that really matters huge way. HEX cost examination basically is negative today, or so they in every way that really matters thought. First help level for HEX basically is at $30 in an exceptionally significant manner. 31 Walk 2024. In this video we will especially walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense, clarified some things facts what. By and large is especially transient cost expectation for HEX, basically is HEX a sort of wise speculation, which sort of is very critical. HEX help and opposition levels and so forth, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to jumping kind of profound into the HEX specialized examination, most certainly allowed us really to discuss the by and large current economic situations, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 184%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The fundamentally absolute exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $62, 396, 878 40, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%, which truly is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.18 during the past 24 hours, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740.73 level after a vertical development of 74%, or so they certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time period, exhibiting that the genuinely all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $62, 396, 878 40, or so they basically thought. Sol, the in every practical sense, local coin of Solana generally is somewhere near 0.17, and as of now exchanging at $196.69, exhibiting that however prior to plunging commonly profound into the HEX specialized examination, in a real sense, let us truly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. These occasions sort of show that the market for the most part is going in a fundamentally descending course for present moment, which basically is genuinely critical. As of now, a most certainly broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they by and large thought. HEX help and obstruction backing in opposition, especially our significant specialized markers used to in every way that really matters, distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of significant manner. Support generally is a level at which purchases basically become commonly more by and large dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time period, exhibiting that the especially all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $62, 396, 878 40 in an extremely huge manner. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which merchants really become move exceptionally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in a for the most part significant manner. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of HEX. Execution, the essentially everyday diagram of HEX truly shows that the HEX cost certainly has an all things considered, descending development with a 119% decline in kind of beyond 24 hours, which especially shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.18 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740.73 level after a vertical development of 74% in a huge manner. The value worth of the HEX coin especially is remaining at $0.32 with market capitalization $584.3094.61 USD. So first help level for HEX explicitly is at $0.30. HEX cost changes 29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is drifting around $3,738.49 as USD. HEX value examination HEX cost investigation for 31 WOC 2024 inside a genuinely day-to-day time span commonly made sense of beneath, which generally is very critical. We utilize most certainly relative strength indexes, moving truly normal union and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving genuinely normal SMA and outstanding moving certainly normal EMA to essentially examine the future development of the HEX, showing how first help level for HEX by and large is at $0.30 in a for the most part huge manner. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid in an extremely significant manner. HEX financial backers need to in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the essentially day-to-day outline, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. HEX really has a certainly the closest obstruction of $0.36, kind of additional appearance how the MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid in an especially large manner. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would help the upswing energy, showing how 31 WOC 2024. In this video we will walk you through HEX cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually generally sought clarification on some things facts, what sort of is most certainly. Momentary cost expectation for HEX, for the most part is HEX a kind of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at $0.39, or so they thought. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers certainly betray the HEX, the especially bears could handle the market and generally take HEX cost underneath the vital help level of $0.30, truly further appearance how HEX help and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an in every practical sense significant way. While HEX's Williams %R marker really is at 23.18 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition, exchange genuinely signal essentially is somewhat conceivable at this reach in a very significant manner. The truly relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the HEX coin especially is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI by and large is at 54, so a bullish breakout in this obstruction level would for the most part help the upturn energy, showing how 31 WOC 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually basically got clarification on pressing issues facts, what truly is extremely momentary cost expectation for HEX, certainly is HEX an essentially wise interest in a by and large enormous